Write the coordinates of the incenter of the triangle having its vertices at 0, 0, 5, 0 and 0, 12. Since we know that the coordinates of the incenter of a triangle whose vertices are say A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 are given as ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 upon a plus b plus c and ay1 plus aby2 plus cy3 upon a plus b plus c, where a is equal to side bc and b is equal to side ca and c is equal to side ab, the length of side ab. Okay, now here in this triangle vertices are given. Vertices are say A 0, 0, B 5, 0 and C 0, 12. So clearly it is one of the origin and the vertices on axis, coordinate axis. So it's a right angle triangle. So easily you can find the length of the sides. So this is the point A 0, 0 and here is the point 5, 0 and C is the point here 0, 12. So easily we can say that the length of AB, so whereby A is equal to the side length BC. BC is equal to the distance between B and C is 5 minus 0 whole square, that is 5 square, plus 0 minus 12 whole square, that is 12 square. 144 plus 25 is 169. Square root of 169 is 13 units. The length of A is 13 units. And then B is equal to the distance CA. CA distance is on y-axis, so it's from the origin to 12 units. So we can say directly 12 units. And C is equal to AB. So AB distance is on x-axis, so the distance is 5 units from origin, so we can say 5. So we got A value, B value and C value. Now let us substitute in the formula. Therefore incenter of triangle ABC is equal to AX1, that is 13 times of x1 is 0. Say these are the x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and third coordinate x3 y3. So 13 into 0 plus b into, that is 12 into x2, x2 is 5 plus c times of, that is 5 times of x3, x3 is 0 upon a plus b plus c, that is 13 plus 12 plus 5 and the next coordinate a times of, that is 13 times of y1, it's a 0 plus b times of, that is 12 times of y2, y2 is again 0 and c times of, that is 5 times of and y3 coordinate is 12 upon 13 plus 12 plus 5, so which equals to, so it's a 12 5s are 60 upon 13 plus 12 25 plus 5 30 comma, and here again 12 5s are 60 upon 60, sorry 30. So 60 upon 30 is 2 and 60 upon 30 is 2, so we can give the answer 2, 2. So the incenter of triangle ABC is 2, 2. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe and support us. Thank you.